Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square Online Store to start selling online today. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Square website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Create a new Square account if you don't already have one. If you have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Online Store section. Click on Create Your Online Store. You will be prompted to choose a store type. Select the type of products you'll be selling. Now, choose a template that fits your brand. Pick a color scheme that resonates with your business identity. Customize your store name as per your preferences. Proceed to add your product details. Click on Add Product to upload images and descriptions. Set pricing and inventory for each item you add. Ensure that your shipping options are clearly defined. You'll need to configure your payment methods next. Select the payment options that work best for you. Make sure to review your store settings. Check the tax settings to comply with local regulations. Preview your store to see how it will look to customers. Make any necessary adjustments to the design or content. Once you're satisfied with the layout, click on Publish. After publishing, your online store will go live. Share your store link across your social media and marketing channels. Monitor your sales and make updates as needed. That's it. You're ready to start selling online today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.